Welcome to unboxing of Logitech MX Master 2S, one of the best mouse right now. Logitech has done an excellent job here. The box, the finish, uh, it's worth the price. We pay this. It has this programmable buttons, Logitech option software. Very nice feel, man. This box is good. This works with the dual connectivity Bluetooth and its unifying Logitech receiver. I purchased this in India. I got it somewhere around 5,500. So let's unbox this now. I must say Logitech has done an excellent job here. I like this box itself. It's itself is a piece of art. That flap has magnetic touch. Okay, let me get this out. And this magnetic flap, right? Amazing. Nice case. Okay. Okay, some document. So this mouse comes with an internal battery, and this paper gives us the idea of if you want to dispose it, what to do, how to remove the battery. Nice feel, nice touch. Say this. So even the thumb has this button in it. Nice. It has a good weight as well. Very nice. This is a premium feeling. Very nice mouse. Let me keep this aside. Okay, the standard unifying receiver. Okay, this has a different finish. Nice. Oh, let me remove this. Okay, so okay. Let me connect it to my laptop and switch this on. Oh, it's already paired. Wow, that's quick. And it's working. Oh, I don't have to do any installation here. Wonderful mouse. I'll come with a full review soon. Thanks.